Hi everyone, my name is Preetham PM. I completed my graduation in BE Triple E from the Oxford College of Engineering. After completing my engineering, I joined Jspiders Rajajinagar. I would thank Jspiders Rajajinagar for giving me this opportunity for showcasing my skills. For me, Java was taught by Keshav sir and Uday sir, and programming by Sharik sir, web technology by Syed sir, and Bhuvan sir taught us SQL. If you want to learn Java or any technical skills, JSpiders is the best platform to learn all these courses, because here the trainers we get are high quality trainers, and whatever they teach is very simple and in a such a way that it will be very easy to understand, and they're very supportive in every ways. Even the HRs over here are very supportive. They give more opportunities for students, for like many companies and all. Coming to Keshav sir, he not only teaches us Java, he always motivates us. The way he teaches us is like very enjoyable, and we learn and we enjoy the class. So coming to Bhuvan sir is like next level actually, because the training he gives us in class and the way he interacts with the students, we don't feel like we are in some training institute and we are like we have some burden in studying it. He makes like class very simple, and he's very friendly with us. Anytime you have doubt, you can like contact him, and he'll be every time ready for us. So like getting trainers like this is very precious for us. If you want a perfect technical knowledge, I would recommend everyone to join JSpiders, because JSpiders is one platform where you gain all types of knowledge, not only in Java as well as like many courses over here, which is very helpful in outside world. So I would recommend all my friends and all my relatives, everyone to join. Thank you, JSpiders Rajajinagar.